Greetings. The COVID-19 pandemic has forced many countries into strict regulations. Malaysia is no different. From March to May of 2020, Malaysia was put under a movement control order in an effort to break the chain of infection. Current evidence has highlighted that older persons aged 60 years and above are highly susceptible to the COVID-19 infection, especially those who are immunocompromised, frail, and diagnosed with comorbidities. Physical frailty has been enlisted as a predictor of poor prognosis among older persons infected with the COVID-19 virus. Where psychosocial and mental well-being is concerned, the continuous period of isolation has been associated with cognitive decline and development of dementia among older people. Physical inactivity and poor mental well-being have been labelled the adverse outcomes of social and physical isolation. Our research team takes great interest in cognitive frailty. In an effort to address the potential reversibility of cognitive frailty, the WE-RISE trial was designed. It is a multi-domain intervention aimed at the potential reversibility of cognitive frailty, comprising of multi-component exercises, cognitive stimulation, psychosocial support, and dietary counseling. The WE-RISE trial was carried out for a period of 6 months, whereby the intervention group received the multi-domain intervention, whilst the control group received usual care from their respective senior activity centres. The strict stay-at-home regulations may have had an impact upon physical activity and psychosocial well-being among cognitively frail older adults. Hence, the aim of our study was to observe if there were any differences in terms of physical activity patterns, psychosocial well-being, and coping strategies of cognitively frail older adults who are participants of the WE-RISE trial during this MCO period. In terms of physical function, the intervention group was found to be more physically active as compared to the control group. The intervention group participated in light to moderate exercise activities, whereas the control group was found to engage in more sedentary-based activities. The intervention group was also found to be more functionally independent, as the control group required more assistance to carry out basic daily needs. We hypothesize that the exposure and awareness that the intervention group has obtained from participation in the WE-RISE trial would have given them the advantage of carrying out exercises with confidence in the comforts of their own homes, hence them being more physically active during this MCO period. In terms of psychosocial well-being, both groups did not express concerning levels of psychological distress during the MCO. However, the intervention group did express significantly higher levels of feeling respected and of purposefulness during this period. In addition, both groups sought positive coping strategies during the MCO, where the intervention group relied on religion and planning, and the control group relied on humor to aid them during this tough period. Cognitive frailty screenings are so important. If caught in its early stages, it may be potentially reversible. Not much is understood in terms of COVID-19 and its association with older adults with cognitive frailty. However, there should be more research in this field for us to further understand how to tailor our patient management and treatment for better health outcomes. To conclude, the findings of our study has highlighted the importance of ensuring that our older adults remain physically active with preserved psychosocial well-being to promote resilience, to promote functional ability, and to prevent further cognitive and physical function decline during these unprecedented times. Together, we are better. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you.